Gold and silver traded with modest bearishness throughout the day. Most importantly, gold has breached the important support zone at 25.7476, and it has moved towards the next target at 25.70. And these were the levels we have discussed earlier in the day, while silver has also moved close to 30.60, the first support. Now, what to expect, which position you should take, and at what levels so that you can profit trading gold and silver today, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and clear entry and exit points. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Wash. If you look at the hourly charts for gold, see this was the bullish move. Now it is under retracement. It is forming a nice flag, and yet it is not completely turning bearish. I will say it has to break below this zone at 25.6465 and 25.6056. This is the zone it needs to break, and then 23.4850. Once these levels are taken, then we can say that it has turned bearish. Right now, what is happening? You can see this after the drop. A little swing is seen in the preceding candle. Also, look at the Bollinger Bands starting to expand mostly on the downside, and now it is starting with the swing. So possibly the current candle may again turn bearish, but now 25.70 is going to be one support level which you should watch out for. Moving averages have started to converge. Stochastic has hit the bottom. The MACD has retraced sharp and it is still looking downwards. RSI is also dropped significantly here. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, see, first of all, the resistance here played out very, and then after the drop here, what it has done, it has stayed in the zone for a while. Now it is coming out of the zone here, and first bearish move, second bearish move, I will wait for it to take another turn here and take a direction. Right now I can say it has not yet taken a direction. Look at the Bollinger Bands which have narrowed now, are expanding, so possibility exists that it may try to put further pressure on the bands to expand more. Depends which direction it takes. Any move beyond 23 25.88, 25.92 zone is certainly to be considered as a reversal. The stochastic looking down, MACD trading divergent and bearish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3, on the 3 hour chart, the prices have come to take the support from the 20 period, and you can see it is taking the support from the 20 period. Now see what is happening here. You can just look at the move here. See this, one green, couple of red, one green, then red, and now it has to take a direction, possibly with the retail sales data before the US session might also bring a little bit of volatility here. But yes, it could also reverse completely, because see, it has formed a nice flag and it could reverse and break out on the upside. Thus you have to be watchful and careful at the current levels. If you see it is staying above 25.85, 25.88, you can initiate a buying entry there. Expect 25. See, again I am saying, till first resistance zone is going to be towards 25.90.92, then 25.95.96, and then 26.00 and 26.02. These levels are going to remain critical milestones for gold to breach pass by. As long as it fails to stay or break beyond 25.95.96, we should not be treating gold as bullish. That is also clear. But if you look at the movement, what is happening? Prices were divergent from the 20 period. It has converged here. It has taken the support. Now it can take a direction. Let's watch out if it takes again a bullish turn. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, yes, it has shown an intention to move towards 20 period. I can see a little support here at 25.70, very good support. And then look at this zone. This is going to be the prime support zone towards 25.64.65. Now once it stays below 25.70.68 zone, we can look forward to 64.65, and once it drops below 25.64.65, I think more bearishness is going to be there. Now see, you can treat this as first bearish candle retracement, second major bearish candle, and this time it can take a direction. Right now I can see it is again trying to trade in the channel here, so definitely you should watch out for any breakout beyond 25.85.86 should be treated as a reversal. But I think it can try to trade something like this and then take a direction again. Stochastic looking down. MACD has also crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards, and this crossover is also coming at a slightly higher levels. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see couple of strong bullish candles. Then you can see, also look at the candle sizes here. bullishness getting diminished. What it has done today, it has started with lower highs and then continued on the downside. Now see, if it breaks below 2570 levels, chances will be high that we may in fact see it breaking towards 25 64 65, the first target, and then in fact 25 57 55 zone can also be seen here, below which more bearishness may prevail, taking it till towards 25 48 44 levels is the next target. Stochastic is overbought here, the next, and see it is looking downward, so possibility exists that it can try to retrace. But the look at the MACD, this is divergent, this is bullish looking upwards. RSI is also just coming out of the overbought zone. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments including multiple indices and commodities from across the globe. So reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, global presence, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at the move, ideally a buying entry is towards 2588 levels, but that could also be one of the selling entries. Now, 2584, 88 is the zone you should watch out for on the upside. This is going to be definitely a greater resistance for gold to break past by, even if it tries to retrace from the current levels. And till then, you have to be cautious, careful, alert. And on the downside, see, yes, you can buy here at 2584 levels, but be careful at around 87 88, then 1992. Very nearby resistances. You cannot avoid it, but yes, these are the resistances, and thus you should be trailing your stop losses if you're buying at 2584. And beyond 2592 levels, you can expect 2595.5 and then 2601. 2602 levels as the next target, beyond which it is going to fly high towards 2612, 2618 levels. On the downside, a selling entry is only recommended now below 2570 levels, below which you can expect 6465, and then I will expect it to move towards 2557, 55.5 levels, the next support level. Below 2555, a stronger drop can be expected, taking it till towards 2542 levels as well. But there is going to be an intermediate support at 2549 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See, if you look at silver on the hourly chart, see first bearish move retracement, second bearish move retracement, and now it is consolidating its position here in this zone. So first bearish move consolidation, second bearish move consolidation, it has to break now below 3060, 3050 zone, which is going to remain a prime support. In fact, you can sell here at 3060 itself. When you see the higher prices below 3060, now you can take a selling entry. Expect it to move towards 3050, 3040. Very strong support exists till 3040. Below 3040, we are going to look forward to a significant drop here, taking it till towards 3020, and 2995, 2980 levels are also possible. The stochastic has dropped, MACD traded bearish, RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here. After the drop, just staying in the zone. On the upside, buying entry is only recommended now. See, ideally you should buy above 31. That should be a comfortable buying position for us, above which it may turn bullish. What is happening here? After the drop, it is confining itself in the box, though lower lows are seen, but it has to break below 3060. That is going to be now the prime support. The stochastic looking down, MACD trading bearish here, and the RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. Likewise, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation, just waiting for the 20 period to climb up. Now 30 50 30 40 are going to remain prime support. As long as silver respects these zone, we have to be careful here with the sells. Though yes, you can take a selling entry at 3060, but then you have to be cautious till 3040 levels, below which more bearishness will prevail. See, too much of divergence, too much of you can say strong divergence calls for it to converge, and that is what is trying to happen here. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour charts. See, after this reversal sign, one bearish candle, then retracement, resistance here at 3090, then a drop. Also, you can see a support here coming into picture, but I think it should try to break this support with this candle, possibly with the data coming in from US. It could try to retrace further on the downside. Stochastic bearish, MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. And see, this crossover is coming at a slightly higher level, so more bearishness may prevail now. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, that is again a slight bearish sign. Coming to the day, On the daily charts, look at preceding candle comes with the swing, higher highs, lower lows. Current candle starting with lower lows and now looking downwards. Once it stays below 30, 60, 30, 50 zone, I think the pullback on the upside is going to be difficult. Below this, you can expect a move towards 30, 40 and in fact 30, 20. In fact, 29.95 or $30 levels can be expected here. If you look at the move here, divide this into two: rise, retracement, rise, and the next wave is about to begin here. The next wave might take it towards $29 levels. Here, be watchful, be careful. Yes, slower move towards 29 cannot be denied, and yes, it could bounce back also from these levels. So right now I can say that the bulls appear to be slightly exhausted. The stochastic overbought here, MACD rising, RSI at top. Looking at this, you can buy here at 30, 90, $31 levels. 30, 90, 31. When you see the lower prices above this zone, you can initiate a buying entry. But then 31.10, 31.20 till 30.20, 31.20, you have to be careful. Beyond 31.20, it is not going to come back. We are looking forward to 31.50, 31.80, or in fact $32 levels here. So you have to be careful till 31.20 if you're taking a buying position. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 60 levels now, below which you can expect 30, 50, 30, 40 as the first support zone. Below 30, 40, I think we are looking forward to a greater drop, which can take it towards 30, 20, 28, 29.95 and in fact 29.80 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do press the bell icon. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.